We are talking about debentures. Debentures
Hmm.
means loan. And whenever I talk about debentures, that is loan, it is percentage debentures. We say 9% debentures or 10% debentures or so on. If you know what is debenture, what is debenture?
Yes, it's
Debenture
loan,
is
no?
a liability. It's a loan, it
Liability.
is a liability, and liability is always credit. So when you talk about debentures, debentures which is a liability, liability is always credit. So whenever you issue debentures, one entry that will definitely be there would be bank account debit to debentures account. So when you are issuing debentures, that means you are taking loan. What are you doing?
We're taking loan.
We are taking loan from the public. That means the money is coming in and a liability is created, and the name of that liability is debentures. So one
Oh,
entry to learn perfectly well is whenever you are issuing debentures, it would be bank debit, debenture credit. I'm repeating again, bank debit, debenture credit whenever you are issuing debentures. Debentures can only be credited by the face value. Anything above that also, even if you're issuing, still debenture credit face value. Even if you're issuing the debentures at a loss, debentures credit face value. Debenture will never exceed the face value. Is this clear?
yes.
Okay. So give me the journal entry to issue the debentures.
So it's bank account debit to debentures account credit.
Okay. Bank account debit to debenture account. So debentures was of 100 issued at 100. Can you give me the journal entry
It will be bank account debit, 100
with the
and
amount?
yeah, 100 debenture account credit, which will be 100.
Okay. Debentures of 100 issued at 110.
So bank account debit, like,
How much will the
uh,
bank account be debited?
I have no idea.
How much money are you going to receive?
110
110. So bank account will be debited with the money received. Debenture will be credited with what?
with the face value.
With the face value to
Oh,
debentures account 100. Okay.
okay.
Remember this, debenture will be always credited with the face value. Are you with
Okay.
me?
Yeah.
Okay. That means another 10 should come over here.
Yeah.
Okay. The total of debit must be equal to the total of credit. What is this another 10? I will tell you later. First, let's fix this. Debentures of 100 issued at 90.
So yeah, bank account debit, which is 100, and debentures
Are
account
you
credit.
receiving 100?
Wait, no, we're receiving 90.
So how much bank account?
Bank account will be 90.
Debenture will be
100.
100. So tell me, where will the 10 go?
Where will the 10 go, miss?
Debit or credit?
Debit.
Debit. The total of debit must always be equal to the total of credit. Okay. I'm giving you
Yes.
another example. Debenture of 100 issued at 110. Issued at 120. Entry.
Bank account debit 120, and
Hmm,
debentures account, and then there'll be debentures account credit, which will be 100.
which will be,
100.
where will the balance go? Which side?
The remaining balance of 20.
Debit or credit?
Debit.
Better देख screen देख.
Yeah.
How much you've
Okay.
received
Credit. It will go credit because it's 120.
on the credit. This
Yes,
entry
yes.
you will always pass to find out that the remaining difference will be on the debit or credit. Okay, then I'll teach you the trick of it also. But Filal, for now, you should know this. Okay, give me journal entry for issue of debentures.
Bank account debited to debentures account.
Bank account will be debited by how much amount?
The issued amount.
The money received.
Oh, the money received.
And debentures will be credited by how much amount?
The face value
The
amount.
face value. Come on, fast, fast. Debentures of 100 issued at 80.
Yeah, so bank account debited, which will be 80, and
Hmm?
there'll be what do we say? Debentures account credit, which will be 100.
Okay. So remaining value,
20, which will be debited.
which will be debited. Very good. Okay. Debentures of 120 issued at 180.
This thing, bank account debited 180, debentures account credit 120.
Balance money, which side, debit or credit?
Debit side will be 60.
Again, think and tell me.
Wait, hold on. Yeah, so bank account debited, which is 180,
Hmm.
and issued at, yeah, it should be debited, the remaining amount. Yeah.
Debentures is of how
Oh,
much?
wait, no, no. 120, 120. Yeah.
So the remaining amount?
Remaining amount will be credited.
Okay. Debentures of 150 issued at 100.
Okay, so you're saying bank account debited, which will be 100, and then debentures account credit, which will be 150. So 50 will be debited,
50 will
remaining
be
amount.
debited. So we were talking about your debentures are issued. Okay. Debentures are issued at par and redeemed at par. When you have a debenture that you issue also at the face value, redeem also at the face value,
This
the
one.
journal entry will be bank to debentures. Are you with me?
Yes, yes.
So debenture of 100 issued at 100. What would be the journal entry?
Bank account debited 100 and debentures account credit 100.
So debenture account credit 100. Now understand one thing. Debentures of 100 redeemed at premium.
Premium,
Understand this concept very properly. Debenture of 100. See, when you're going to issue debentures, what is the meaning of issuing debentures? Money
what
is
is that?
coming in
Yeah, money is coming in.
and debenture is credited, a liability is
Credited.
created.
Yeah,
Are you with me?
yes, yes.
When money is coming in, so bank account is debited. A
Yeah,
liability is created, so debenture account is credited. Are you with me?
okay. Yes,
Understand one thing. When I issue the debentures par, at par, the debenture would be money is coming 100 and debenture is credited 100. With me?
yes. Yeah.
When I issue the debentures at a discount, say debenture of 100 issued at 80, that means you have a loss on issue.
Yeah,
Okay, so bank will be debited by how much?
20. I think 80. Bank will be debited by 80.
Debenture will be credited by,
100.
and then remaining 20,
Will be debited.
it will be debited. This is your loss on issue of debentures. What
Okay.
is it?
Loss on issue of debentures.
Okay, fine, come on. यहाँ पे the remaining 20 will be what?
Yeah, in remaining 20 will be again debited.
But what will it be named as?
What will be named as like loss
Think
on issue
about
of
the
debentures?
loss on issue of debentures. Think about the scenario. You will understand whether it is a loss on issue of debentures or it is a premium on issue of debentures. What are the two things that you're going to think? It can
Loss of
be
issue on debentures
loss
and
on
premium
issue
of
of
issue of debentures.
debentures or
Yeah.
it can be a premium on issue of debentures. Can you explain me the meaning of it?
Like loss on issue of debentures is basically when like the what do we say when the debentures are debited, it's a smaller amount compared to the what do we
I
say?
receive less
The,
money.
yeah, yeah.
And premium on issue of debentures is what?
You receive more money.
You receive more money. What is the rule of nominal account?
Uh
Debit all expenses and losses,
yeah, credit. Yeah,
and credit all income and gain. So loss on issue of debentures is always debit, and premium on issue of
yeah.
debentures is always credit. Are you
Credit.
with me?
Yeah. Yes, yes.
Come on, explain me now this part.
120 issued at 180. So basically, bank account debited 180 and debentures account 120. So there's extra value. So it will be credited.
Account?
Same premium on issue of debentures.
Very good. Come on, yeah.
150 issued at 100. Yeah. It will be loss. It will be loss of issue of debentures, loss on issue of debentures on the debit side. Yeah. 50.
50. Yeah, are you with me?
Yes.
Okay. Now what happens? Listen to me. You can issue the debentures at par and redeem also at par. You have to club the journal entries. You understand the journal entries of issuing the debentures. It would be bank debit, loss on issue, debit to debenture credit to premium on issue.
Yes.
Is this the entries for issue of debentures?
Yeah.
You can tell me what is the entry? Bank debit.
Bank debit loss on issue of debentures debit, then debentures credit, premium on issue of debentures credit.
Okay, you can either have a loss on issue or you can have a premium on issue.
Yeah,
Any of the
either
two.
one.
Or you have nothing. If you
Okay.
issue at par, redeem at par, nothing. These are the entries related to issue of debentures. When you are issuing debentures, what does it mean?
When we are like issuing
Loan.
loan, yeah.
When you issue
Taking loan
debentures,
from
what does it mean? You are taking loan.
taking loan.
Okay. But when you're redeeming the debentures, I'm repeating again, when I'm redeeming the debentures, that means I'm giving back the money.
Okay.
Okay, but we are not going to give back the money immediately. We are going to give back after 10 years, 20 years, 30 years. But the
Yeah.
term is decided beforehand. What do you mean by
Okay.
term is decided beforehand? It means that when you issue debentures, at that time only you decide that I am going, when I repay you, I'm going to pay you this much amount. The statement would look like this: debentures of 100 issued at 80, redeemed at 120. Can you explain me the meaning of this?
So debentures of 100 issued at 80, redeemed at
Debentures of
120. Yeah.
100. What
Yeah.
does this mean?
Basically, we take loan from the public of 100.
Face value of the debenture is 100.
Yeah.
You issued at how much?
80.
So you issued at a discount,
Yes.
and at the time of issue, you faced a loss on issue,
Yes.
and at
Loss
the
on issue of
time of
debentures.
issue only, you are telling them that when I will repay, I will pay you 120.
Okay.
That means I'm redeeming it above the face value.
Yes.
So I am redeeming it at premium.
At premium.
So this is premium on redemption of debentures.
Yes.
What is it?
120. Premium on issue of debentures.
Issue is different, redemption is different.
Oh, okay.
Redemption is that you're going to pay them back.
Pay them back.
So you're going to pay them higher amount.
Yeah, pay them higher amount.
See, the debenture was of 100. When you issued the debentures, you received only how much?
Um, what, miss?
When you issued the debentures, you
Yeah,
received how much?
80. 80.
80. And when you're going to pay them, You pay them how much?
120, just
Okay.
premium of
You
redemption of
issue that
debentures.
discount and you're still going to pay them. You issue that discount and you're still going to pay them 120. So you're going to give them a premium amount on redemption of debentures.
Yeah, premium
It's
amount
called
of
what? It is called what?
premium on redemption of debentures.
It is called premium on redemption of debentures. So
Yes.
premium on redemption of debentures is what?
It's basically you will pay them back or
Okay,
give
it's a
them an.
loss for you or it is a gain for you.
Oh, okay, like that. It's a gain, or well, it's a loss because
Tell me one thing.
loss.
So this is a loss for you. So premium on redemption of debentures is a loss for you. I'm repeating
Yes,
again. Premium on redemption of debentures is what for you?
a loss.
It is a loss for you and it will be debited.
Yes. Okay.
So come on, you have entry, first entry, issued at par, redeemed at par.
Yes.
What does it mean? You took 100 and you are going to give 100.
Yes.
So at the time of taking, are you facing any loss?
No.
So at the time of taking your loan, you know that in future also you're not going to have any loss and even now you're not going to have any loss.
Yes.
So it would be bank debit, debenture credit, 100.
Yes.
Okay. Every time you do this, you multiply it with the number of shares. I hope you're with me.
Yeah.
Come on, explain me this. Issued at par, redeemed at premium.
Yeah. Issued at par and redeemed at premium.
Explain me the meaning of this.
So basically like the first one, but it's redeemed at premium instead of being issued at par. Your premium is the extra value.
So that means when you're taking the loan, how much you're going to receive?
You're gonna receive a premium extra.
Issued at par. Issued at par means you are when you're
It's
giving the loan, you're going to
yeah.
receive the face value only.
Okay.
So issued at par, 100.
Uh-huh.
Redeem at premium.
Redeeming premium.
What do you mean by redeem at premium?
Like
Redeem means what?
redeem means like paid,
Giving back.
giving back, yeah.
Redeem means what?
Giving back.
So how much you're going to give back? 100 or more than that?
More than that or
So maybe you're going to give them
okay,
110.
okay, okay. Yes,
So you issued at par, but you're redeeming at premium. You're going to get 100, but you're going to repay 110.
yes.
How much you're going to get?
How much we're going to get?
How much?
But like 10,
How
I didn't
much is
get
the
it.
value of your debenture?
100.
So how much are you going to get?
And 110? I didn't get it, miss.
How much did you issue at?
100.
So what? How much are you going to get?
100.
Okay. What you
Okay,
issuing
okay.
at is that amount that you're going to get.
Okay.
How much did you issue at?
Yeah, 100. So you will get
Okay.
100.
How much you're going to get?
100.
How much you're going to pay back?
110.
110. Now let's
Okay,
talk
okay.
about the issue at par. What will be the entry for issuing at par?
Issuing at par. To bank account debit, like loss on the issue debenture.
Don't copy. Think. This is not the correct entry what I'm asking for.
Oh, bank account debit to debenture account credit.
Bank account debit to debenture account. So how much you're going to receive?
How much you're going to receive? 100. Issued at par.
Debenture will be credited by how much?
100.
This much is clear.
Yes, yes.
Now at the time of issuing, you know that you are going to give back how much?
Yeah, we're gonna give back how much?
How
110.
much? It's a question.
110.
110. That means you're receiving how much?
We're receiving 100.
You're going to pay how much?
110.
How much extra you're going to pay?
10.
What is that 10 for you?
Premium.
Loss or income?
Loss.
Why is this loss?
Because we are giving more money.
Because we're giving a premium on redemption.
Yeah. Premium or
Losses for how
redemption.
much?
Losses for 10.
10. So you will pass this because at the time of issuing, you know that you're going to face a loss of 10. This loss is because of premium on redemption. So you pass this entry extra.
Okay.
Loss on issue debit to premium on redemption credit. Please write this journal entry, memorize this journal entry, or whatever you want to do. Issued at par, redeemed at premium. Issued at par, redeemed at premium.
Redeemed
When
premium.
you issue its bank to debentures, and because you know that at the time of issue, you are going to give them a higher amount. So you know that you have faced a loss. The loss is due to premium on redemption. So this will be debited and credited. So you have to write full entry. Bank debit, loss on issue debit to debenture to
Interest
premium on
credit.
redemption.
Yeah.
Try, understand, write again. I'll give you 4 or 5 examples of this first.
Right, ma'am, you're muted.
Entry for debentures issued at par, redeemed at par.
Oh, it is bank account debited to debentures account credit.
Debentures issued at par, redeemed at premium.
Bank account debit, loss on issue debentures, debit, debentures account credit, and premium redemption credit.
Now here your question is debenture is issued at premium, redeemed at
Yes.
par. Can you give
Yeah.
me amount for this? Can you make one own example for yourself?
Issued at premium, redeemable at par.
Hmm.
So basically, like, there's a premium of 120, and
Okay, issued at premium. So you want to say
yeah,
debenture of 100
yeah, debenture of 100
issued at
issued at premium of 120.
120,
Yeah.
redeemed at par means
We gave it, so I redeemed at par.
at par means at what value will you redeem?
Face value,
Face value 100.
100.
Now, first we pass the entry for issuing at premium. Can you give me the entry for issuing at premium?
Issuing at premium is bank account debit, debentures account credit.
How much are you going to receive?
The 100,
You're
right?
issuing at premium. How much are you going
Oh,
to
premium. Yeah, the 120, yeah. Premium.
debenture of 100 issued at 120? How much are you going to receive?
120.
Debenture will be credited by
120. Debentures will be credited by 100.
the extra money. How much you're receiving?
20.
What is it called?
Extra, this thing, premium issue of debentures.
Premium on issue of debentures. Now, at
Yes.
the time of issue, you know that when you're going to redeem these debentures, you're not having any loss.
Yeah.
You're going to repay how much?
This thing, 120. Oh, wait,
Redeemed at
100. Oh, redeemed at 100. Yeah.
redeemed at par. So
Yeah.
when you issued, you received how much?
We received 100.
I don't know. You have no brains or you don't
Oh,
read.
we received 120.
How much are you going to pay back?
100.
Okay. So do you are you facing any losses on redemption?
No.
If you face any loss on redemption, so what entry do you pass?
If we face any loss on redemption, it would be the what? Loss on issue of debentures.
Debit?
Yeah, loss on issue of debentures debit to premium redemption credit.
Okay. So over here, you issued your debentures at 120. So you receive 120. And when you're going to redeem it, you are going to pay 100.
Yes.
So you're not facing any loss on redemption, right?
Yes.
No, right?
No, no.
So the journal entry would be only for issuing the debentures at premium, bank debit, debenture credit, premium on issue credit.
Yeah.
Are
Premium
you
issue.
with me?
Yes.
Now, next case. Issue at premium, redeem at premium. Can you give me an example for this?
Issue at premium, redeemable at premium.
Example with numbers.
So like there's debentures of 100. Yeah, and there is a premium of 120.
Issued at how much?
Wait, what happened?
I don't know, something happened.
Issue
So there was debenture of 100 issued at,
issued at premium.
so
Oh,
issued at 120.
issued at 120. Redeemable at premium. So redeemable at par. Oh,
Ah,
premium. Par
give
is the
me an
previous
amount.
one.
I will say
Uh,
redeemed at 150.
yeah.
Okay. So when
Yes.
you issued the debentures, how much you received?
100.
100. Read properly.
120.
So bank will be debited by how much?
Bank will be debited. 120.
Debenture will be
120.
credited by how much?
120. Go 100.
You, since the start I'm saying debentures is always credited by the face value. Are you
Okay.
with me?
Yeah.
So how much did you receive?
We receive uh bank account 120 and debentures is
You
100.
answer my question. How much did you receive?
120.
How much are you going to pay back?
100.
Answer my
Payback
question.
is
Use your brains. Stop and answer.
okay.
How much did you receive?
120.
How much are you going to pay back?
150.
Again, how much did you receive?
120.
How much you going to pay back?
150.
So there is a loss of how much?
50. Oh wait, no. But I'm taking 100. Yeah, this thing. 3.
How much did you receive?
This thing 120.
How much are you going to pay?
150.
You're going to pay more money, right?
Yes.
How
Around
much
30.
more you're going to pay?
30.
So loss on issue is how much?
30. Loss on issue is 30.
Why is this loss on issue?
Why loss on issue? Because
Because
no, because loss on issue
because
because we receive 120 and we pay 150, so that's the loss on issue of debentures.
because you're redeeming it at premium.
Yeah,
Okay.
redeeming
So
it.
there is this loss of 30 because you are going to redeem it at premium.
Redeem it at premium. Yeah.
Okay. So this is the loss of 30 because there is premium on redemption.
Yes.
Are you with me?
Yes.
Okay. So this loss is now clarified.
Okay. Great.
Okay. Debenture was for how much?
100.
So debenture will be credited by how much?
100.
So debenture was of 100 and
Yes.
you received how much?
120.
So you received how much extra?
20.
This 20 extra is good for you or bad for you?
Good.
So it's profit or loss?
It's profit. Profit.
It will be debited or credited.
Credited.
What is the name of this profit?
Premium on issue of debenture.
Premium on issue of debentures. So look at this. Debenture of 100 issued at 120. First, I am passing the entry for this, okay?
Yes.
See properly. Debenture of 100 issued at 120. You receive
Yeah.
how much?
120.
Debenture will be credited by,
100.
and the extra money you received is 20.
20. Yeah.
So this is the entry for issue.
Issue. Okay.
See properly.
Yeah, got it.
This is the entry for.
Issuing.
Now you're going to redeem it at premium.
Limited premium, yeah.
You will see. How much did you receive?
120,
How much you're going to pay?
150,
How much extra you're going to pay?
30.
What is the name of this 30?
This thing, premium redemption.
Premium on
And
redemption. So
yeah,
premium on redemption is credit and it's a loss for you.
yes,
So this loss of 30 is because of premium on redemption.
premium redemption. Right.
Are you with me?
Yeah.
Come on, next part. Issued at discount, redeemed at par. Can you make an example first for this?
Miss redeemed at par, I know, but a discount, I have no idea.
Just make an example start. Debenture will always be for.
100.
So debenture of.
You mentioned 100 at par.
Debenture is of 100.
100, yeah.
Issued at discount. So give me a
Issued
price.
like 10%. You could, okay,
90.
90.
Okay.
Right, yeah.
Redeemed at par.
Yeah, redeemed at par, so 100, basically.
Redeemed at 100. Very good. Come on. First, see this part. Explain me.
Yeah, debenture of 100 issued at 90. Yeah, so basically, we know the debenture is 100 and bank account is 90.
So bank is 90.
Yes,
Debenture is 100.
100.
Extra 10. This is a loss on issue.
Yes,
But this loss is named as discount on issue of debentures. What is its name?
discount on issue debentures.
Okay. So issue part is dealt with. Now you talk about redemption. Do you have any loss on redemption?
No,
So if there is no loss on redemption, will you write it?
no.
No. So for redemption, loss on redemption, there is always this entry. Which entry is there
Premium
for loss on
redemption.
redemption when you do premium on redemption? Which entry is there always?
Loss on issue debentures and premium redemption.
Come on. Write these entries, frame examples for yourself, memorize these entries, and then we get back.